XAMPP stands for Extremely Accelerated Multiprocessing Packet Processing. A. Apache Server, M. MariaDB, P. PHP, and P for Perl. X stands for Cross-Platform, A stands for Apache Server, M stands for MariaDB, letter P stands for PHP, and the last P stands for Perl. The term cross-platform typically refers to the ability to run on any device, regardless of operating system. The XAMPP installation procedure is straightforward and fast. XAMPP serves as a local server or local host until it is installed on the local computer. Before adding the website to the remote web server, you should verify them. On a local machine, the XAMPP server program provides a suitable platform for checking MySQL, PHP, Apache, and Perl programs. The easiest way to do is to search for XAMPP in Google. Let's type XAMPP, and here we will see the first link, which is the XAMPP for Apache server. And to download, click XAMPP for Windows. It's a gray button near the bottom of the page. Wait until the installer is fully downloaded. Show in folder and double-click the downloaded file. Click Yes when prompted. This will open the XAMPP setup window. You may have to click OK on a warning if you have User Account Control (UAC) activated on your computer. Click Next. It's at the bottom of the setup window. You can select an installation location for your XAMPP. Select your preferred language for your setup. Uncheck the Learn More About Bitnami box, then click Next. Wait patiently until the installation is done. Click Allow Access on the following Windows dialog. Check the Start button for the control panel of XAMPP. Start the following actions from the XAMPP control panel: Apache and MySQL. That's it, you already installed XAMPP on your Windows computer. Thank you for watching. Bye class.